PECS cards or Picture Exchange Communication System cards are just pictures or images. They will be used by the kids for a way of communication. Here, there will be images of their favorite things. We had a lot of things where Aar-Tas' favorite snacks and toys us. This is an example where we had taken a photo of Tic Tac, which we had laminated the edge so that it is safe for use for the kids. And what we have got is that her favorite chocolates, favorite toys and some basic needs like drink, gym ball, Vicks, Tic Tac, break, urge to pee, breakfast and some basic emotions. So we will be communicating with her using these PECS cards. There is 6 phases for teaching PECS card. So this is Vicks, Aar-Tas' favorite chocolate, and now I will be giving her a PECS card of Vicks and let's see whether she is asking for that. As I was having Vicks, her reinforcement, Arahi appeared tempted and promptly handed me a PECS card with an image representing Vicks. I immediately reinforced her action by providing the reinforcement. You can select a highly preferred item or activity the learner is motivated to obtain. You can guide the learner. You can use physical prompt by hand-over-hand guidance to help learners to pick the desired picture card. You can also avoid using verbal prompt. As soon as learners hand over the picture, you can immediately give it to them. You can try this with various other materials based on their preference. It can be eatables, activities or even games. We'll be demonstrating all of the 6 phases in our upcoming video. Stay tuned.